so he can place his queen. Now it's time to move my queen. My queen is just here. Look at the every piece who is just openly playing in the garden. Oh, he want to deliver check, mate, but not yet. Okay, not yet. I get every single move which you want to play here. I can't move. What he now want to play? I don't. He get automated. What if I capture here? Then he can do any fork. Okay, he got some fork from this knight. Okay, I got he got a fork from the knight, and he will put any fork which can make it. No, he did not even put any fork here. Surprisingly, so I have a very huge. Let's have an exchange, buddy. I want some exchange. Let's have an exchange. Trade. Open your state of harbors, Iranian guy. Thank you. He just opened state of harbors for me. I didn't get why he's playing like that. Okay, I got some another move from you. If you can defend it, please defend it. He did not get what I want to put in this move. He gave a straight of harbors to me. You took it, brother. He don't want even to. Now he don't even try to play this match. Okay, I can figure out. Now it's time to put my queen in the main match. Okay. So what is an ideal move I can play here? I need to put my queen in the match. He's chop off my pawn. I definitely get a one pawn, one knight here. Okay, I hope I get it. I just want a definitely one pawn from here. Okay, if he defend it, he give a check. Okay, another check. Another check. Now it's my turn. Now I will give you some checks, and I want this match. I can't lose from this place. I am totally in winning position. There are some better moves which I can put here. He did not even interest for some exchanges. Okay, if you are not I will chop your every single pawn from there. Okay, give check. Can I make some better moves from there? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Okay. Can I get this match? Of course. I got my first match. So good. So guys, I just won my first match in a brutal way. Not